Welcome you to the next video on bills of exchange. In this video we'll learn how to do accounting for endorsement of a bill. We have already learned how to pass entries in earlier video. We'll do it once again. Now we'll see the problem and understand what is endorsement of a bill. Mr. John sold goods on credit to Mr. Jacob on 1st May 2021 for rupees 1 lakh. So the value of the goods sold by Mr. John to Mr. Jacob is rupees 1 lakh. So on 1st May, what is the entry we are going to pass in the books of Mr. John? Entry would be Mr. Jacob account would be debited with rupees 1 lakh because he owes us money, and sales account will be credited because we have sold the goods. It is income for the business. What is the entry in the books of Mr. Jacob? He is buying the goods, so purchases account will be debited with rupees 1 lakh, and Mr. John account will be credited because he has sold goods on credit to us, and Mr. Jacob has to make payment to him. It's a liability in his books. It is an asset in his books, in the books of Mr. John. There will be no entry in the books of Mr. James because he is not a party to this transaction. Now let us see what happens. On the same day, he drew a bill on him for 2 months. That means John drew a bill on Mr. Jacob. Jacob accepted the bill and he returned it to Mr. John. So on 1st May, when Mr. John drew a bill, that means he is receiving a bill. Entry would be bills receivable account debit rupees 1 lakh. Who is giving this bill to him? Mr. Jacob. Hence Mr. Jacob's account will be credited rupees 1 lakh. What is the entry in the books of Mr. Jacob? Mr. John account will be debited because he is receiving the bill from him, 1 lakh. He is giving a bill, that is why it is being credited rupees 1 lakh. There will be no entry in the books of Mr. James because he is still not a party to the transaction. Okay. Next. On 3rd May 2021, Mr. John endorsed the bill in favor of Mr. James. Now what is happening is, on 3rd May, Mr. John is giving this bill to Mr. James. What he is doing is, he is writing on the back side of the bill. He is writing pay to Mr. James, signed by Mr. John, and he is giving this bill to Mr. James. Why is Mr. John giving this bill to Mr. James? This is the question that arises. We have to assume that Mr. John owes money to Mr. James, or we can say Mr. John has purchased goods on credit from Mr. James earlier. That is why Mr. John has to make a payment to James. Instead of giving him cash or giving him a check, he is giving him the bill which he has in his hands. So what Mr. John is telling Mr. James is, I have to make you a payment. Instead of giving cash, you please take this bill. This is a valuable legal asset. Mr. Jacob is going to make the payment on this bill. You can collect the payment on this bill from him directly. So instead of me making the payment to you, you can collect the payment from Mr. Jacob. You please take this bill. It's an asset. So Mr. John is discharging his liability. He is repaying his liability to Mr. James by giving him a bill. So on 2nd May, I think that is the date of the transaction. No, 3rd May. So on 3rd May 21, Mr. John is giving the bill to Mr. James. So Mr. James becomes receiver. Personal account, receiver, debit. Mr. James account will be debited, and he is giving away the bill. 2 bills receivable. Asset is going out, real account going out, credit. So this is the entry he passes. James account is debited and bills receivable account is credited. In the books of Mr. Jacob, no entry will be passed because he is not a party to the transaction. The transaction is taking place between Mr. John and Mr. James. Now Mr. James is receiving a bill. He has to collect payment on this bill, so he will write it as bills receivable only in his books. Bills receivable account debit rupees 1 lakh. Who gave this bill to him? Mr. John gave this bill to him. That is why he is going to credit John account only in his books of account. So John account will be credited with rupees 1 lakh. There will be no entry in the books of Mr. Jacob. So this is the entry he is going to pass. Okay. Now on the due date of the bill was drawn on 1st May. The due date would be after 2 months. So it is 1st July plus 3 days of grace. On 4th July, on the due date, when bill is honored. Now, what is meant by when bill is honored? We are saying on the due date, Mr. James, he is having the bill. He will approach Mr. Jacob and tell Mr. Jacob, Mr. Jacob, you have accepted a bill. I have the bill. You have to make the payment to me. Mr. John has given this bill to me. So Mr. Jacob is now duty bound to honor the bill to Mr. James. So what Mr. Jacob will do is, he will take his bill back. He called this bill earlier as bills payable, so now also he will call it as bills payable. Bills payable account will be debited. He is discharging his liability, hence it is debited now. When he accepted the liability, it was credited. When he is repaying the liability, that is why this account is debited. Bills payable account debtor to cash account. If he is paying in cash, we will say cash. If he is paying in check, we will credit bank account. Okay. Now, who is receiving this cash? Mr. James is receiving the cash. Hence, cash account will be debited in his books. And he will give the bill back to Mr. Jacob. So, bill is going out and he is collecting cash. There will be no entry in the books of Mr. John because he is not a party to the transaction. Now, what will happen is, the bill comes back to Mr. Jacob. What will he do is, he is going to cancel the bill. He is going to tear it into pieces because now the bill has been honored. He kills the bill. Okay. So this is how the entries are going to be recorded. In this problem, when Mr. John drew a bill on Mr. Jacob, he is called as the drawer of the bill, and Mr. Jacob is called as the drawee of the bill. So when the bill is drawn, John becomes drawer and Jacob becomes drawee. When he endorses or gives the bill to Mr. James, we call him as the endorser, endorser. He becomes endorser. And Mr. James becomes the endorsee of the bill. These are the technical names we call them. Okay, so this is how we record entries in the books of the parties when the bill is endorsed by one party to the other. Thank you.